I'm about to share with you guys my three-step distribution model that allowed one of my students to make over $20,000 in one single payout. So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to be breaking down all three of these simple steps. The first step of this model is going to be identifying your high time frame bias. And you can find this bias by identifying a manipulation in the market using your key level and SMT. I consider my key levels to be high time frame fair value gaps or high time frame highs and lows that we sweep out and use as liquidity paired with this SMT. And we can identify this SMT by looking at the correlating asset pair, which is the euro, and seeing that we put in a higher high. So if we look back at our main pair, you can see we obviously swept out this low, which is what we used as our key level, and that's the reason it's paired with an SMT. The reason that identifying this manipulation is important is because it allows us to anticipate when we're ready to distribute and target our buy side liquidity. So now that we understand that, we can make this super simple for ourselves and say that our next hourly candle is just going to be a bullish candle targeting our draw on liquidity. So we can wait for this new high time frame candle to open and manipulate lower, putting in the bottom of our hourly candle before we distribute higher and close. And as you can see, that's exactly what happens. The hourly candle opens and manipulates lower into this 5-minute fair value gap, as well as sweeping out this internal low. And we also get this change in state of delivery, which should be our confirmation that we've put in the low of the hourly candle and that we're ready to distribute to our buy side liquidity. And as you can see, if you were to enter on this change in state of delivery, our take profit would have been hit very quickly. I made a free checklist that goes more in depth into my three-step distribution model that allowed my student to get this 20K payout. So if you want this checklist for free, all you have to do is follow me and comment the word checklist, and I'll send you a DM with the PDF.